stuck. I don't know what kind of wind out here. Clear, yeah. Yeah. Well, they're hoping. So bad after all. So what is he gonna do? Tie it down, you can tell he's stopping. What does that mean? Tying down means he's out of hours. Oh. Turn around, he's coming to be walking. Pause it. Got your screen, okay. Pause it. Actually, you can probably almost go. Yeah, pause it and then